Good day everyone! Ituturo ko sa inyo paano mag-add and subtract ng fractions with unlike or different or magkaiba ng denominators na hindi kailangan gumamit ng LCD, okay? Or least common denominator. So as you can see for number 1, we have 1/2 plus 1/4. So magkaiba sila ng denominator. We have 2 and 4. So para madali nating isolve to, kailangan gawin nating parehas ang kanilang denominators. Paano nating gagawing parehas ang denominators? Mag-iisip tayo ngayon ng number na ita-times natin sa 2 para maging 4. And that is 2. Okay? Let's say 1/2. So ang gagawin natin dito, magta-times tayo sa 2 ng 2. Okay? Now, ganun din sa numerator, kung magta-times tayo sa denominator, mag-times din tayo ng 2 sa numerator para maging equal fractions or equivalent fractions sila. Now, 1 times 2, that is 2. 2 times 2, that is 4. Okay? Now, bakit ko tinimes sa 2? Para yung ating denominator ay maging 4. So, as you can see, parehas na silang 4. So, this will become 2 over 4. So, imbes na 1/2, sinulat ko na ay 2 over 4 plus 1/4. So, as you can see, the same na ang kanilang denominator. So, kapag nag-a-add tayo ng like denominators, simply add the numerators. 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. Then, just keep or copy. Kopyahin lamang yung kanyang denominator. Okay? That's it. Our answer is 3/4. O diba, mas madali lang siya, no need to find the LCD. Okay, now, the same with subtraction. We have 5 over 6 minus 1/2. So, mag-iisip tayo ng number na pwede nating i-times sa 2 para ang denominator niya ay magiging 6. And that is 3. Kasi 1/2, magta-times tayo ng 3, both the numerator and denominator. This is equal to 1 times 3, that is 3. 2 times 3, that is 6. Bakit po 3 ang tinimes natin? Para yung ating denominator ay magiging 6. So, the same na sila sa 5 over 6. So, susulat na natin 5 over 6 minus the equivalent fraction ng 1/2 is 3 over 6. So, just copy. Yan. 5 minus 3, that is 2. Then, copy lang yung kanyang denominator kasi common, the same sila ng denominator. And the lowest term of 2 over 6, what is the greatest number na pwedeng i-divide sa 2 and 6? That is 2. Kaya 2 divided by 2, then 6 divided by 2. Okay? So, the lowest term of 2 over 6 is 1. Kasi 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. That's it. This is now our answer. Okay? Now, let's have number 3. As you can see, we have different or unlike denominators. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon, yung 5 over 7, mag-multiply ako ng 3. Okay? So, magta-times 3 ako, ganun din sa ating numerator. So, this will become 5 times 3, that is 15. Over 7 times 3, that is 21. Now, the same process ang gagawin ko sa 2 over 3. Pero, ibang number naman. So, ano kayang ita-times ko sa 3 para maging 21 din ang kanyang denominator? Yes, that's times 7. Then, times 7 din sa kanyang numerator. So, this will become 2 times 7, that is 14. 3 times 7, that is 21. So, kung mapapansin nyo, 15 over 21 and 14 over 21, we have the same denominators. So, imbis na 5 over 7 ilagay ko na 15 over 21 kasi they are equivalent fractions. Minus, imbes na 2 over 3, lalagay ko ay 14 over 21. Okay? So, 15 minus 14, that is 1. Then, copy yung kanyang denominator. That's it. Our answer is 1 over 21. Okay? Now, let's try number 4. 1/2 plus 2/3. As you can see, magkaiba din sila ng denominator. So, ang ita-times ko sa 1/2 ay 3. Okay? Kasi 1 times 3 and 2 times 3. So 1 times 3, that is 3. 2 times 3, that is 6. Now, ang ita-times ko naman sa 2/3, ano kaya ita-times ko dito para maging 6 ang kanyang denominator? That is 2, no? 3 times 2, 2 times 2. So, this will become 2 times 2, that is 4. 3 times 2, that is 6. Okay? So, imbes na 1/2, lalagay ko na 3/6 plus imbes na 2/3, lagay ko na 4/6. Okay? Now, what is 3 plus 4? That is 7. Then, copy the common denominator, that is 6. Or, pwede rin natin siyang gawing mixed number. So, i-divide natin. 7 divided by 6. So, that is equal to 1. 1 times 6, that is 6. Pag sinubtract natin, this is 1. Now, yung number dun sa taas, lalagay natin yan. Then, yung ating remainder, that will be our numerator. Then, this one, yung ating divisor, that will be our denominator. Okay? So, this is now our answer. Okay? So, I hope na intindihan paano mag-add and subtract ng fractions with unlike denominators. Thank you for watching.